So somebody asked me the other day that, Lebo, why do you like to say that we should pray for our baby mama or our baby daddy while I can't even stand the mother or the father of my child? So here's the thing. When I say that you must pray for the mother or the father of your child, I'm not necessarily saying that you must pray for something bad to happen to them. What I'm saying is that you are praying for their well-being. You pray that they are okay in life. Whatever area it might be, it can be financially or emotionally. Because here's the thing. When the father or the mother of your child is doing well in life, then they're in a better position to become a better mother or a father to your child. So when they are okay, then your child is okay. And when your child is okay, then you are also okay because you've got one less thing to worry about. So think about it. Consider praying for their well being because you also stand to benefit from it.